What's up, everybody? So another second channel video here. So shop's still kind of a mess from the mask video. If you haven't seen that yet, you should go check it out. So I'm just trying to get a little bit organized. I'm trying to figure out what to do with the shop still. So what I want to do is I think I'm going to make a wall of these kind of big shelves all along this back here and space it a couple feet from the wall for reasons that I'll show later. But this is on wheels, so I'm going to roll that out of the way. I got a couple more of these bigger shelves, and I'm actually going to make use of these giant work surfaces on them because they're kind of being wasted there. They're not really, they're awesome surfaces, and they shouldn't just be holding junk like that. And you can't really use them because they're right up against the wall. So I'll probably have to cut like, I think 6 inches off them. That's not a big deal. But yeah, let's get to it. This never gets lighter. Oh! Put the shelf right in the way. Oh! 3D printed these little brackets a long time ago. They just kind of clip onto the bottom where the metal is. They work specifically with these shelves. So actually, now that I think about it, I need to print more of these. Normally wouldn't cut wood up here, but I really don't want to carry them downstairs. So I'll just try and blow all the dust I can down there. So we want 85 1/4. Right on. Not light. What'd I mess up? It's 84 3/4, not 85 1/4. Oops. It'd be hilarious if it didn't fit this time. Oh. Oh, perfect. Not hurting my back again. like a glove. Just a nice amount of hangover, 1/4 inch on the front. So basically, the moment I finish printing the first thing on this printer, I was pretty impressed with it. So then I immediately took advantage of the sale that's going on. I mean, they sent me this one, bamboo, but there's a sale going on, and yeah, I immediately bought 2 more. And this will be my catch-all again right now, where just everything will sit. I don't know, I gotta figure out what my plans are. But I didn't think this was gonna be good for working at, but actually it's good, so my soldering stuff might just stay here for now. So I am putting in these cheap LED tube lights. These are just from Amazon, but they actually work pretty well and I like them. I use them on some other shelves. But I want them to be on one cable all the way along, one power source. And they come with these joiners, but it's not long enough to go between the 2 shelves from this one to this one, because I want one up here. So I'm going to extend this, because I can. There. Extra long length. So I got the shelves all set up, sort of, not really organized, and then I got the 3D printers connected and they're all working. This is gonna be incredible to have those. So I was playing with the mask a little bit. I don't know if you saw this in my latest video. I had my thermal camera out just to see what temperature it was at. I just turned it on now, but before it was around 30 C when it was just kind of sitting, so not too bad, but kind of warm. Anyways, then I remembered, it's still been kind of chilly in here. I'm happy with the spray foam, but there was one thing that I never mentioned to them that I wanted them to do. So the way this place is built is there's a 2x6 in here that is on the roof. That's part of the roof, and then it stops, and then it goes to another 2x6 that direction. And they're held together by these supports. I don't know what you call them. I don't think they're purlins. I don't know. They've probably got some technical name, but I'm not sure. So the 2x6 stops in the middle here, and you can't really see because it's too dark. But the whole time I was thinking, there's a break there. Usually like a 2x6 or 2x4 has an R value that's not too bad, so you can just spray foam between them, and then the wood itself has its own R value, which lets a little bit more cold air in, heat transfer in, I should say. In here, there's actually a gap between the 2 pieces of wood, right? It's small, they're touching, but through that gap is just gonna be the outside, the metal roof basically with the air. And I kind of confirmed that to myself, because in there, if I can get it just right, I'm seeing it's probably only about 17 degrees in here right now. And I'm seeing about 9 degrees in that crack. So what I'm thinking I'm gonna have to do, and it's not that big of a deal, but I'm just gonna get some cans of spray foam and I'm gonna spray them in each one of these slots and maybe put a piece of wood in between them so it's a little bit cleaner, but just slap some paint on it. So just spray foam that little crack. Because I know for sure heat is getting out through there and there's like, I don't know, 40 of them maybe? So it's gonna be a pretty significant heat loss, and if I can seal that up, it's not that big of a deal to do, just spray foam it, so I'll leave that for another time. But I don't really know what this video was about, but this is what you get on the second channel. And I'm just trying to put more content out and make more videos. And also, you've been around this long on this video. I'm thinking of like doing some live streams, and I'm kind of torn between doing them on YouTube or Twitch and what they'll be if I'm building things or gaming or whatever, but I'm still thinking about that. Don't really know what I'm gonna do. So yeah, you'll probably see me spray foam this. That'll be a video or something. And that's about it. So we'll try and put more content out, show you things. I'll definitely do the little the breakdown of the mask, because I know lots of people said they wanted to see that. So that'll be more technical, and that should be a pretty good video for the second channel as well, because there's a lot of little things that went into this that were like challenging. And yeah, I've already got some cool ideas for 3.0 or 2.5, or I don't know what it is. Anyways, thanks for watching.